what is it? Script. Yes. Okay. Now, now this Word document, it is visible to you, student? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There is some audio network issue is there. Continuously बंद हो रहा है ये. We will check. वही करती हूँ अपनी. Whether I am audible to you, student?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay. Again I will share. नेटवर्क इशू आ रहा है टीम्स का कुछ तो भी. Now see here, there are 4 instructions which comes under this stack manipulation instructions. Now which are the 4 instructions? First instruction is the push instruction. Now, what is meant by push instruction? It is a push word onto the stack. Push word onto stack. Then push A instruction is there. Now in the push A instruction, push all general purpose register. Push all general purpose register. Push all general register onto stack. Here onto stack. That is the push instruction. And what is meant by pop instruction? Here pop instruction is nothing but pop stack, and then pop A instruction. In the pop A instruction, as in the push, we have seen push all general register. Similarly, pop all general register of stack. Now, these are the 4 main instructions which comes under this stack manipulation instruction. So push A, pop and pop A means main 2 instructions are there, push and pop. Now what is meant by stack? Why we require this stack segment? Because in the segment register you are having stack segment. Now for that there is a stack register, it is there. Stack segment register, it is available in 80386. Now what is meant by stack exactly? Wherever we are going for the in the program, there is a call instruction is there, jump instruction is there. When there is a subroutine that we are using. And whenever that subroutine it is there, it is all related with the stack. Now what is in the push instruction? Can anyone tell me from this meaning of this push instruction? Push word onto stack. Push word onto stack. I will share another screen with you. Push word on stack. Okay, I will tell you. Now as its name indicates, push word onto stack. Now what is meant by that? Here it decrements the stack pointer. Now stack pointer I will show you here. The screen is visible to you, student?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, हाँ अभी यहाँ पे देखो, this is a push instruction. Now before push instruction and after the push instruction, what will happen? Now before push instruction, आपका stack pointer जो है, stack pointer it is here. What is it? It is nothing but your stack segment. Now here it is a ESP. Whenever your instruction is executed before push instruction, stack pointer का position देखो. This is a position of stack pointer, right? ESP. Now whenever the push instruction is executed, push word onto stack. कि word कहाँ पे जा रहा है? Word will push or it will be stored into the stack itself. And whenever the word is nothing but how many bits are there in the word? How many bits are there?
16.
16, yes. Whenever that word it is stored onto the stack itself, at that time this stack pointer is decremented by 2, ESP. ESP it is nothing but a 32 bit that we have seen the significance of E over here. ESP it is a one kind of general purpose register. So this E is nothing but a ESP, it is a 32 bit, and whenever the word it is to be stored on the stack itself, at that time the stack pointer is decremented by 2. You can see here it is decremented. पहले position यहाँ पे था ESP का, अभी position यहाँ पे आ गया है और ये आपका operand आ गया जो आपको store करना था stack में. Here it will be over here. Means here in the push instruction what is there? It decrements the stack pointer by 2. It decrements the stack pointer by how many position? Here it will decrement by 2 itself. Then it transfer the source operand to the top of the stack. You can see here it transfer the source operand जो हमें करना है. Here on the top of the stack. Top of the stack कहाँ पे है? It is your top of the stack. It will transfer over there. जो आपको transfer करना है, it will transfer over there. Then after that, push is often used to place parameters on the stack before calling a procedure. When we want to call the procedure in our program, I think your 5th or 6th practical जो है, it is related with the procedure. Whenever the procedure it is called in your program, at that time this push instruction it is generally used. And whenever push instruction it is used, ultimately it is related with the stack or stack pointer. Stack, and whenever the push instruction is executed, stack pointer is decremented and it transfers the source operand, means जो हमें store करना है stack में, to the top of the stack, indicated by the ESP. ESP के यहाँ पे आपका ऑपरेंड देखो, यहाँ पे जो आपको करना है सोर्स ऑपरेंड वो यहाँ पे स्टोर हो गया. समझ में आ गया? पुश ए इंस्ट्रक्शन में, सॉरी पुश इंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या होता है? दिस स्टैक पॉइंटर जो है इट इज डिक्रीमेंटेड बाय 2. ESP इज डिक्रीमेंटेड बाय 2. मींस SP जो है स्टैक पॉइंटर में, आपको बाद में, पहले ये डायग्राम देख लो. हियर इट इज डिक्रीमेंटेड बाय 2. यहाँ पे पोजीशन यहाँ पे था, ऑपरेंड यहाँ पे आने के बाद, पुश करने के बाद, here stack pointer is decremented. And when we are going to use this push instruction we can use whenever the procedure it is called in your program. Now different procedures are there. Whenever the procedure it is called, at that time the stack pointer is decremented. That's why we are taking that push is nothing but a push word onto the stack. That we are pushing the word, we are pushing whatever the operand we want to store, we are pushing that word onto the stack. हम लोग stack पे उसको store कर रहे हैं. That's why push instruction में वो होता है, push कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Pop यानी means we are retrieving it. Push and pop. Yes, are you getting about this push instruction? Students? अभी देखो push A instruction में क्या होता है? Push A means another thing about this push instruction, it operates on memory operand, immediate operand, means directly data can be stored onto the stack, or we can store the memory location. Memory location it can be operate, or it can be stored or push into the stack itself, and register operands are there. मीन्स हम लोग सेगमेंट रजिस्टर भी यूज कर सकते हैं, हम लोग इमीडिएट डेटा भी यूज कर सकते हैं. इमीडिएट डेटा इट कैन बी स्टोर्ड onto the stack with the help of push instruction. Memory location भी हम लोग indicate कर सकते हैं. In that memory location, whatever data you want to store, that data it will be stored over there. Means here it is about this push instruction. Now what is in the push A? Push A is nothing but a push all register. सब register को push करना है. Means what? It saves the content of 8 general register onto the stack. Now which are the 8 general purpose register? Which are the 8 general purpose register of 80386? Abhijit, roll number 6. A division. Yes, Abhijit. Abhijit Desai. Sejal, 52, roll number AB division, roll number 52. Sejal, unmute yourself. Yes, Sejal. Nidhi, can you tell me? Nidhi Agrawal, which are the different general purpose register of 80386? Hello. What happened to the students? Vaishnavi Pawar. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me which are the different general purpose registers of 80386? Yes, सांगू शकतेस का? Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me which are the different general purpose register?
AX, BX or DX register. Index, status or control segments.
No, which are the different 8 general purpose registers? Just list that names of the register.
AX, BX, CX,
EX,
DX.
EBX, yes, ECX, EDX. Then yes, Panchashila, 23 roll number. Panchashila.
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the different 8 general purpose register?
No, ma'am. I don't know.
You don't know. Wajid, 16 roll number.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the 8 general purpose register of 80386.
Ma'am, AX, BX, CX, DX, and
Then EBP, ESP, ESI and EDI. These are the 8 general purpose register of 80386, EAX, EBX, ECX, EDX. Okay. Now what happened in the push A instruction? Push A instruction में क्या होता है? Here all the contents of a general purpose register. It will stay on the stack. That's why push A instruction is there. Push A. A stands for all. Push all register. Contents of all register, it will be stored or it will be saved onto the stack itself. That is a push A. Have you got the meaning of push A register? What is meant by push A? Now what happened? You can see over here. This instruction simplifies procedure calls by reducing the number of instructions. Now I will show you. Now the one more thing I want to tell you. Now how the general purpose register, it will push or it will save the contents onto the stack. Now which is the order? It is not in the order of EX, EBX, ECX, EDX. It will be in the order of EAX. After EX, ECX is there. ECX के बाद EDX होगा. EDX के बाद EBX होगा, and then initial value of ESP before EX was pushed, then EBP, ESI and EDI. This is the order. In this order, stack पे अगर जब data store होता है, तो data जो store होता है, it will store in this order. We will see it. Push A is complemented by pop A instruction. That we will see. Now, if you see the diagram, diagram सबको दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ पे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो अभी देखो यहाँ पे पुश ए इंस्ट्रक्शन आपका स्टैक पॉइंटर यहाँ पे है, राइट? स्टैक पॉइंटर यहाँ पे है, means here there is no any general purpose register contents are there. Now when you are using the push a instruction execute होने के बाद if you see EAX के बाद ECX होगा, EDX होगा, EBX होगा, then stack pointer initial जो stack pointer था तो वो यहाँ पे store हो गया, then EBP हो गया, ESI and EDI. Now it is your new stack pointer because initially your stack pointer was here, now it is here. Stack pointer means whenever the push a instruction is there, content of EX it will be stored over EX, ECX, EDX, EBX, then old or what we can say old value of this ESP stack pointer, it will be stored over here, then EBP, ESI, EDI and then here ESP. It is a execution of this push a instruction, or after the push a instruction the contents of general purpose register it will be stored in this way. Yes, everyone has got about this push a instruction. What happened due to push a instruction? सबको समझ में आ गया? Yes? Yes, please reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will show you how we are going to use this instruction. So push instruction जो रहेगा, how we are going to use, suppose we are using the instruction that is push AX. Example is word document दिखाई दे रहा है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Push AX instruction you are going to use. ये push AX से क्या होगा? Can anyone tell me? It is one of the example. We have seen the instruction, but ये instruction कैसे use होगा? It is an example of it. Push AX instruction है. तो क्या होता है push AX instruction से? Can anyone tell me क्या होगा? Push word onto stack means क्या होगा? AX यानी कितना बिट है? Word है 16 बिट है. So it will copy from AX, it will copy the word, whatever the data AX register have, that word it will be copied to the location in the stack segment register. We have seen the location, हमने देखा था वो diagram में. Stack pointer is in there, and in that case, what is the stack pointer? Stack pointer is decremented or it is incremented? Yes. Stack pointer is decremented by 2. SP is equal to SP minus 2 when this push instruction it is executed. Yes, ये समझ में आ गया क्या होगा? Whatever the contents of your AX register, AX का contents क्या है? आपका word है, word में 16 bit है, वो 16 bit कहाँ पे store होगा? It will be stored to the location in stack, in the stack segment, where the stack pointer points. We have seen, हमने जो diagram देखा था उसमें देखा था. I have already shared that PDF with you. तो stack pointer जहाँ पे है वहाँ पे आपका जो data है, that operand in that diagram it is shown, it is represented as a operand. तो वो data जो है it will be stored over there, and in that case stack pointer it is decremented by 2. Yes, it is about the push instruction. Now when you go for the push A instruction, directly you can use this push A instruction. Push A, there is no any space. Push A instruction is there. Directly we have to use this instruction. It is not the thing that we have to go for any register or we have to write the name of any general purpose register. It is about the push A register. Yes, have you got about these two register, push and push A? ये समझ में आ गया सबको? And when the stack operations it is carried out, whenever the push and pop operations are there, when the push and pop operation is carried out, कब होगा? push and pop operation कब होता है? आपके प्रोग्राम में क्या कॉल होता है? whenever the procedure is called in your program, at that time this stack related operations it will be carried out, means push and pop instruction. So now we will see about the pop instruction. We have seen about the push instruction. नाउ पॉप इंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या होगा, पॉप वर्ड ऑफ स्टैक. नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इट, पॉप वर्ड ऑफ स्टैक.
एलिमेंट को रिमूव करने के लिए यूज करते हैं.
Yes, it is used to remove it. Just to remove it, transfer the word or double word at the current top of the stack to the destination operand. Now यहाँ पे क्या होगा, it will increment the stack pointer. पुश में क्या हुआ था, स्टैक पॉइंटर डिक्रीमेंट हुआ था. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, स्टैक पॉइंटर इज इंक्रीमेंटेड because again whatever the original it is there, it will be there, means whatever the word or double word it is stored at the current top of the stack, it will be removed. Pop moves the information from stack to a general register or the memory. So if you see pop register का अगर आपने देखा, so it is not the thing, means whatever the contents are there, it will be removed, means you can see it is a pop instruction के बाद आपका stack pointer here it will be as it is, it will be incremented, sorry, it will be incremented. यहाँ पे decrement हुआ था, यहाँ पे increment हो गया. It is about the pop instruction, and similarly pop A instruction, it is there in the pop A instruction, pop all registers, means it restores the register saved on the stack by the push A. Push A में हमने देखा था all the contents of this all general purpose register, it will be saved onto the stack. वो सब निकाले जाते हैं, except that it ignores the saved value of ESP. यहाँ पे ESP की वैल्यू, यहाँ पे saved value जो रहती है, old ESP हमने लिखा था, here it will ignore that value. Otherwise whatever the contents of general purpose register, that content it will be retrieved, and whatever the stack pointer or the contents of stack pointer, it will initially it will as it is, it will be as it is. It is about the pop A instruction. सबको समझ में आ गया यहाँ तक? Push and pop instruction, everyone has got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So yes, okay. Now next one, it is a type conversion instruction. Now type conversion, अभी देखा हमने two types हमने instruction के देखे. We have seen data movement instruction, we have seen stack manipulation instruction. Now what is the third one? Third one, it is a type conversion instruction. Now type conversion होता है means what? As here whatever your data is there, your data it may be in the word, your data it is in the double word, your data it may be in the bit itself, it may be in the byte itself. So if you want to convert byte into word, then there is a different instruction. If you want to convert your word into the double word, there is a different instruction. Means here whenever the data instructions are used to convert byte into word, word into double word into 64 bit, that is a quad word, then you are going to use this type conversion instruction. Have you got the meaning of type conversion instruction? Here type conversion instruction convert bytes into words, words into double words, or double words into the 64 bit item, that is nothing but a quad words. Now in this case, which are the different instructions we are going to use for type conversion? Now this type conversion, first instruction it is a CWD. We will see it one by one. Just a minute. अभी यहाँ पे ये देख लेते हैं, then we will go for execution of each and every instruction from the Word document. अभी यहाँ पे देखो, there are two classes of type conversion. Now which are the two classes? Now you can see CWD, CDQ, CBW and CWDE, which operate only on data in the EAX register. अभी CWD, can anyone tell me the meaning of CWD? CWD का meaning क्या होगा? It will convert word to the double word. It will convert word to the double word to the quad word, that is a 64 bit, then byte to word, and here CWD, it is the extended one, which operates only on data in the EAX register. EAX register में जो कोई भी data है, only the conversion of that data takes place with the help of this instruction. Means here there are two classes of type conversion. Second में क्या होता है? The forms move SX and the move ZX. अभी यहाँ पे देखो, move instruction है, data movement नहीं है, it is a type conversion है. जो हमने देखा था move instruction, move S भी देखा था हमने. But here move S instruction, what is the meaning of move S instruction? Move S क्यों यूज किया था हमने? Yes? मेमोरी टू मेमोरी, राइट. अभी यहाँ पे देखो, ये मूव SX है और मूव ZX है. Now which will permit one operand to be in any of the general purpose register, while permitting the other operand into the memory into register, or we can say here register to memory transfer जो है, but here the example is different. That is a move SX and move ZX. It is a type conversion instruction that we will see that how it will convert that word into double word and all these things. Means these are the two classes of type conversion instruction. So we will see it. वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट विजिबल है ना सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Type conversion
Yes, ma'am.
instruction. Okay. Type conversion instructions. Now in that first instruction we can see CBW. A CBW क्या है? It will convert byte into word. Bytes name. It is very simple. CBW byte into word. But at actual कैसे काम करेगा ये? Now अगर आप दे रहे हो, suppose you are giving the instruction AX is equal to 00ACH. What this H represents? H represents it is a hexadecimal number. It is not a any significance or any data is there. H जो है वो hexadecimal number means your data is 00AC. AX में क्या है? 00AC है. अभी AX आपका कितने बिट है? It is of 16 बिट. तो ये C4 बिट का हो गया, A4 बिट का हो गया. Means here how you are going to write it? 0000 first 0 का, then 0000, then A का कितना आएगा बोलो मुझे? Yes. Yes. A कितना आएगा? बोलो ना hexadecimal है.
1010.
Yes, 1010, 1010, and then 00. Sorry, 1011 ना. It is 1011, right? इतना समझ में आ गया सबको? अभी ये AX 00AC है. Sorry, IC is 1100 ना. 1100. So its value is -163 decimal. Decimal में अगर आपने किया तो it is -163. So after this, if you are going to use this CBW instruction, so क्या होता है? CBW का पहले मैं आपको बताती हूँ how it will work. It is an example. ये जो है वो example हम लोग ले रहे हैं. So CBW में क्या होता है? Now here what happened? If MSB bit of AL is equal to 1. आपका देखो अभी AX जो रजिस्टर है उसमें आपका AH रहता है और AL रहता है. अगर AL का MSB बिट मीन 7th बिट जो है 0 to 7 में जो 7th बिट है, if it is equal to 1, then AH is equal to 255, which is nothing but a FFH. अगर हम अभी देखो हमने यहाँ पे 00 लिखा है, बट अभी यहाँ पे देखो इफ MSB बिट ऑफ AL इज 1, यहाँ पे बताओ मुझे, ये देखो ये जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन है इट इज यूर AL, ये आपका AL का रिप्रेजेंटेशन है, और ये जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन है वो AH का रिप्रेजेंटेशन है. ये जो है वो AH का रिप्रेजेंटेशन है. नाउ यहाँ पे देखो क्या लिखा है इफ MSB बिट ऑफ AL इज 1. MSB बिट 1 है क्या? कोई बताएगा मुझे? MSB बिट 1 है क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, मीन्स यहाँ पे देखो ये जो 1 है, दिस 1 इट इज नथिंग बट अ 1, मीन्स इट इज अ MSB बिट, क्योंकि ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है आपका AL और ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है आपका AH, बिकॉज CBW कन्वर्ट बाइट इनटू वर्ड. तो बाइट क्या है हमारा? बाइट है हमारा ये AL, ये हमारा बाइट है बिकॉज 8 बिट्स आर देयर. तो ये 8 बिट में से आपका जो MSB है अगर ये 1 है, देन AH इज इक्वल टू 255 और AH की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? FFH आएगी. It is nothing but after CBW instruction, when the CBW instruction is executed, then your result it will be 1111, then again 1111, then 1010 and 1100. Yes, आ गया समझ में? how it works, CBW instruction? Yes, student, please reply. Are you getting this?
No, ma'am.
You are not getting it? Okay, I will tell you again. तो बोलो मुझे अगर नहीं समझ में आता है तो। अभी यहाँ पे देखो क्या है, CBW, ये समझ में आ गया। CBW क्या करता है, इट विल कन्वर्ट बाइट इनटू वर्ड। इतना समझ में आ गया, वन बाय वन जाएंगे हम लोग एंड यू हैव टू रिस्पॉन्ड मी। बाइट इनटू वर्ड कन्वर्ट करता है, तो बाइट अपने कितने बिट का रहता है, 8 बिट का है, तो 8 बिट का कन्वर्जन होगा 16 बिट में। यस, इतना समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
हाँ, तो उसके बाद हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं, इफ MSB बिट ऑफ AL, अभी हमारा ये देखो, हमारा एग्जांपल है AX इज इक्वल टू 00 AC। ये जो हमारा AX का कंटेंट है, AX का कंटेंट है 00 AC। तो 00 AC में आप बोल रहे हो बाइट इनटू वर्ड कन्वर्ट करना है, तो यू फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस AC, यू फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस 00। अगर कुछ नहीं है तो वो 00 हम लोग करेंगे, बट that we have to decide after, means when we have to convert it into the word, that at that time we will write it as a 00, but when we go for CBW, convert byte into word, तो हमें ये जो 00 है वो 00 नहीं रहेगा, वो हमें डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा। सो विच रूल इट इज देयर, इफ MSB बिट ऑफ AL, अभी ये भी हम लोग डिलीट कर देते हैं सब, तो विल डिलीट इट। अभी ये है आपका AC है, यहाँ पे देखो कुछ भी नहीं है, 00 नहीं है, वी हैव टू डिसाइड द वैल्यू ऑफ AH, AL की वैल्यू हमारे पास है। इतना समझ में आ गया? यस? तो अभी देखो, इफ MSB बिट ऑफ AL, AL आपके कितना बिट का है, बेसिकली आपको शायद AX जो रहता है वो 16 बिट का रहता है, और दिस AX इज नथिंग बट AH प्लस AL, और आपका AH 8 बिट का है, दैट इज आपका लोअर 8 बिट एंड हायर 8 बिट्स प्लस 8 बिट। तो आपके ये जो AL जो है, AL में 8 बिट है और AH में 8 बिट है, तो ये 8 बिट हमें डिसाइड करने हैं। ये समझ में आ गया इतना? तो अभी हमारे पास AL की वैल्यू है। यस?
यस मैम।
हाँ, तो अभी हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं, इफ MSB बिट ऑफ AL इज 1, अगर ये 1 है, MSB बिट आपको पता है मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट 0 to 7, मीन्स ये 7th बिट जो है, 8th बिट जो है 0 to 7 में का, इफ इट इज इक्वल टू 1, देन AH इज FF, F is nothing but a 1 1 1 1 that we know. Otherwise if it is not equal to 1, else it will be 0, else आपका AH क्या आ जाएगा, 0 0 आ जाएगा। लेकिन अभी जो डेटा हमारे पास है उसमें MSB 1 है, MSB 1 है क्या, बोलो मुझे।
Yes.
यहाँ पे 1 है, सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज, वी आर यूजिंग दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन CBW। तो CBW इंस्ट्रक्शन यूज होने के बाद ये रूल अप्लाई होगा, इफ MSB 1 है देन आपका AH FF आ जाएगा। FF 255 और डेसिमल में है, फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस 255। AH आपका हेक्साडेसिमल में हम लोग लिख रहे हैं, तो FF है, तो हमने यहाँ पे FF लिख लिया, मीन्स आफ्टर CBW execution here the result will be 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, and then whatever you are the content of your AL it will remain as it is। अभी समझ में आ गया कि अभी भी नहीं आए? मैं क्या करती हूँ, ये वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट अभी मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, सब इंस्ट्रक्शन जो आपको बता रही हूँ ना, उसका एक वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट ही बताया है मैंने, जो हमने लास्ट लेक्चर से लिया है ना, सो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी वो। समझ में आ गया सबको? यस, अबाउट CBW इंस्ट्रक्शन।
Yes, ma'am.
So next instruction we will take only one instruction, CWD इंस्ट्रक्शन। तो CWD इंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या होता है, कन्वर्ट वर्ड इनटू डबल वर्ड। अभी इसमें क्या रूल, अभी एक अगर आपको समझ में आता है ना तो बाकी आपको समझ में आ जाएंगे। तो इसमें क्या होता है, इफ MSB of AX, if MSB of AX is equal to 1, then dx is equal to f, else dx will be 0. It is same as that of. So we will see one example of it. So how it is there, as similarly this is what this instruction does exactly. This instruction it copies the sign bit of word. अभी ये word का अभी ax अभी हम लोग एग्जांपल लेंगे, सेम एग्जांपल वी विल टेक. वो क्या करता है, दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन कॉपीज द साइन बिट. साइन बिट कौन से रहता है वर्ड का? साइन बिट वी विल टेक सेम ac का जो वैल्यू है it is equal to x is equal to AC. अभी ये आपका हो गया, ये 8 बिट है बट हमें वर्ड टू डबल वर्ड करना है. तो साइन बिट है सपोज आपका 00 AC. तो साइन बिट क्या आ जाएगा? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? 0000 0000. देन ए क्या है आपका? A is 1010 एंड C is 1100. तो इसका साइन बिट कौन सा आएगा? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? ये जो डेटा मैंने लिखा है यहाँ पे, व्हाट इज द साइन बिट ऑफ इट? ये जो MSB रहता है ये है वो साइन बिट रहता है. ये जो MSB रहता है ना, दैट इज नथिंग बट अ साइन बिट. व्हाट इट डज, दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन कॉपीज द साइन बिट ऑफ वर्ड. ये वर्ड है आपका 16 बिट डेटा है, इसका साइन बिट कॉपी करता है इन AX रजिस्टर टू ऑल द बिट्स ऑफ DX रजिस्टर. मींस अगर ये 0 है तो सब 0 हो जाएगा. And if it is equal to 1, then all is equal to 1. dx is sign extension of ax. Okay? ये समझ में आ गया वर्ड टू डबल वर्ड क्या है? मिस आप करते हो CWDE. CWDE है जो कन्वर्ट वर्ड टू डबल वर्ड एक्सटेंडेड, उसमें भी सेम आ जाएगा. If MSB of EAX it is equal to 1, then if MSB of AX is equal to 1, then EX will be FFFFFFFH. यस, आ गया समझ में? एक अगर रूल आपको समझ में आता है, सेम रूल इट इज अप्लाइड फॉर ऑल दिस कन्वर्जन, टाइप कन्वर्जन. समझ में आया नहीं आया और रिपीट करना है?
मैम लास्ट का एक बार वापस रिपीट करें क्या?
यस, ओके. अभी नेक्स्ट लास्ट इसमें क्या है? हियर इट इज CWD, कन्वर्ट वर्ड इनटू डबल वर्ड. तो इफ MSB of X is equal to 1, then dx is equal to FFFFH, else dx is 0. तो एग्जांपल मैं अभी बताती हूँ. CWD वर्ड टू डबल वर्ड हो गया, तो उसमें क्या होगा? एक वर्ड में सपोज है आपका, अभी यहाँ पे मैं 1 लेती हूँ, 1 नहीं, ओके सॉरी, F लेती हूँ, F0. F0 AC, it is a 1 data that you are having. F is nothing but a 1. So F is nothing but 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. Then ये समझ में आ गया आपको? पहले मैंने क्या किया है, ये F का हेक्साडेसिमल लिख लिया 1 1 1 1. देन 0 का है 0 0 0 0, A का है 1 0 1 0 और C का है 1 1 0 0. इतना समझ में आ गया? नाउ इफ MSB ऑफ AX क्या है आपका? इट इज 16 बिट है. AX आपका ये है. सो इफ सॉरी AX इज दिस वन, सॉरी इफ MSB ऑफ AX इज 1, यहाँ पे देखो AX 1 है आपका, राइट? देन योर DX इज 1 1 1 1. डबल वर्ड में आपको कन्वर्ट करना है, तो इट विल बी FFFFH बिकॉज X आपका 16 बिट का है. सो यू आर increasing it 1, means it will be again 1 1 1 1 1 1 1.